I'm Venetia Berry. I'm a London-based artist working from my studio in Brixton. I paint the nude female form through an abstracted lens with the idea of celebrating the female nude, something that's been so heavily criticised in the past. I paint using oil and canvas, and I also use ink on paper. If I was to sum up my work in a few words, I would probably say female, organic and dreamlike. For my paintings, I always start off sketching what I want to create, but I try not to sketch in too much detail, because whenever I try to copy a sketch, I always prefer the sketch, so I'd rather go straight onto the canvas. I make all my own canvases and I make them all before I've decided what to paint on them. I quite like that element of chance in my work. I spend a long time looking at my paintings and then we'll come up with kind of 3 or 4 or 5 colours maximum probably. I love the whole process of using oil paint, sort of mixing the paint and creating different colours, and it's really rewarding to know that just a tiny bit of that can sort of completely change the colour. So I love the textured feel of paint and the way it makes a painting look. You can completely manipulate it and it's very freeing to use paint. I always take my inspiration from looking at other artists' work. So whenever I feel uninspired, if I have time, I'll go to an exhibition and see another artist's work or open one of my books here. I think something that's a constant in my mind when I'm working is Matisse's work. I know just whenever I am not sure what to do, I'll look at some of his work, and I think he creates such a complex piece through such simple marks. So the 3 figures that I've created for House and Garden have been based on the idea of the 3 graces. I love the idea of bringing something classical into modern day and giving it a sort of new lease of life. The single figure I've created for House and Garden at first glance might look quite playful, but actually if you look deeper, she is actually lost in thought. And I wanted this to reflect the idea that a lot of women in society today feel a real pressure to look a certain way and have real anxieties about their bodies. I want women to look at my work and think twice about criticising their bodies the next time they look in the mirror.